Are you sick of leaves clogging up your gutter downspouts? What if I told you there was a simple product that you could install yourself that will filter those leaves right out? This downspout filter works with your popular 2x3-inch downspout, which is probably what you have now, and the larger 3x4-inch downspout. You simply have an adapter piece that can be removed. It clicks right into the standard 4-inch round drain. Let's measure for the location and cut the downspout. Cutting an aluminum downspout should be fairly straightforward. You could use a grinder. I'm going to try to just punch in with this and see if I can use my trusted tin snips. Look at all that clogged tree debris. The new filter should take care of that so it won't happen again. Okay, now that we have the clearance we need, I think I'm going to like that just about right. It should just snap in any 4-inch drain. That looks good. You can put screws in for extra measure. Now here, pretty standard 2x3-inch or wider ones. Because this is a 2x3, we're going to flop out these screw-in holes. You do have a lot of adjustment here. You can pull this out to double its length, so that'll give you some extra play. White gutter screws are the most common. All the products I use in this video will be in the video description link down below. I'm not sponsored by Ryobi, but I do like their products. Great for the homeowners. I absolutely love nut drivers. They make your life so much easier. 1/4 inch for this gutter screw, 1/4 inch. And then for good measure, we'll do one down here so it holds. Look how good that's going to work. It's going to filter out. The water will drop straight down and all the debris will wash right out. One thing I love about this downspout filter is it's on autopilot. Once you install it, you are good to go. There's nothing you have to check. Eventually you may have to cut back the trees or put gutter screens up top high, but this one is handled down low. You don't have to get on a ladder. Pretty easy to install. Really just takes a couple minutes. Then you don't have to worry about the clogs. This is all the gunk we pulled from this downspout. So now this should just wash right out and the water drops below. Hey, let me know if you've done this project or you will in the future.